How to use the new Messenger Notes feature. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's learn how to access and use the new Notes feature in Facebook Messenger. Recently, Facebook added the Notes feature to Messenger, which is similar to Instagram Notes. I'll show you how to get it and use it on your iPhone and Android device. So watch the video until the end. The process is same for both iPhone and Android. First, you need to go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store according to your device. Then simply search for Messenger or Facebook Messenger application. Make sure that it is updated to its latest version. And once updated, open the app and log into your Facebook or Messenger account. And after logging in, you should see the new Notes feature above your Messenger. That is indicated by what's up in a chat box. Now to share a note in Messenger, simply tap over there and a box will appear where you can share your thoughts. Write whatever you want, and when you finish, tap on the share button that is highlighted in blue color and your Messenger note will be shared with your friends and followers on Facebook. Your friends can see your note on Messenger and Facebook for 24 hours. The feature works much like Instagram's, so it should be easy to use. Your note will be visible for 24 hours, so to delete a note before then, you need to click on your profile picture or simply tap on the note that you just posted. After that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then tap on delete and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.